Is DoyoBest.com really a hidden gem for personalized gifts? Or just another store that looks great on the surface but disappoints after checkout? In a world full of custom gift websites, DoyoBest stands out with its massive variety of products like custom posters, plaques, tumblers, blankets, phone cases, keychains, and even pet-themed items, all claiming to be unique, thoughtful, and perfect for gifting. Based in Hong Kong, the site markets itself as a go-to destination for heartfelt, one-of-a-kind presents. But before you grab your wallet, it's worth taking a closer look. The website appears relatively new despite having a polished look, and while it does have some activity on social media, engagement is limited and reviews are mixed. Some customers praise the creativity of the designs and the idea behind the products, but others have raised concerns about slow delivery times, generic customer service responses, and in some cases, receiving poorly printed or wrong items altogether. What's even more concerning is the lack of a strong return or refund policy, which makes buyers feel stuck if something goes wrong. On the other hand, a portion of users seem satisfied, claiming their items came as described, so results really vary. DoyoBest isn't a total scam, but it's not entirely trustworthy either. It falls into that gray area where you might get a decent product, or you might be left disappointed. If you're someone who's willing to take a gamble for a unique personalized gift, it could be worth a try. But if you expect top-tier quality and reliable customer support, you might want to stick to more established, better-reviewed platforms.